I would just love it to be really cosy and quite intimate, and just because I literally just want like family there and maybe a couple of close friends.
Oh, look at the fire. Oh my God.
This is literally the perfect size. I don't want like huge, where it's going to feel less personal. There's something about it it's cosy.
It's sort of like a homely vibe
It is
rather
homely.
than...
It's making me feel comfortable.
Well, don't get too comfortable, because Wes's venue is very far from home.
Whoa.
But it is home to the Leicester Tigers.
I'm really nervous.
When to get inside the pitch?
Don't.
Oh, my God,
This is perfect, though, isn't it?
Charlotte might be in for the shock of her life with 26,000 pairs of eyes on her.
Come on, you Tigers!
Could you say your day being run here?
Oh, my God.
Yeah, definitely.
So our half times are maximum 15 minutes, but that has to allow for the players to get off and to come back on. So we can give you 5 minutes. Your bride has to be on time because it's live on television.
Yeah, I know.
If she's late, then I'm sorry, we'll have to leave.
I'll get married to him.
Yeah.
Well, whoever he's marrying, he's booked a 5-minute wedding on a rugby pitch for £5,500. And they've even thrown in a second pitch, well, it's a tent in a car park, for the reception.
So this is the worst experience I've had by far in a long, long time.
4, 5, 6, 7, nearly 6 hours.
Yeah. 5.5 hours we've done.
We have been travelling 5.5 hours. We definitely did not think about Nan. We needed this today. I can see floodlights. There's a stadium right ahead of us. Oh my God, it's huge.
Yeah, and it's a full house.
Oh, shit. Don't make me walk out there. Don't.
Well, it's almost time to, as Charlotte's just arrived.
What the hell is going on? I don't know. I don't even know. Where are we going? Look at the size of it. How many people are actually in there? Like,
Nearly
watching?
a full sellout, so it's 26,000 people that you've got. Only a small crowd.
Only?
Oh my God.
I wanted a small wedding.
For the first time, Wes wishes he had a small one too.
I actually regret organising this in front of this amount of people.
In front of 26,000 people and live on television in front of thousands more. What will Charlotte think of what Wes has organised?
Is she here? Is Charlie here?
I can hear the music. I can hear like traditional music. And a rugby match. This is even more awkward.
Wes's 5-minute countdown starts now.
There's so many people.
I'm not waiting.
I'm so happy everyone's here. Oh, Leslie's there.
Let me not forget something, do you?
I got rugby boots on.
Oh my God! No.
It's the day before the wedding, and Calvin's just learned he can't clear out the gift shop he booked for his reception. His plans are falling apart, and fast.
I feel it's absolutely disastrous. There is no wedding reception, therefore the wedding's knackered.
Cancelling at such short notice means he has lost almost £3,000 spent on the venue and the caterers that he's already paid for. He has no choice but to head back to his ceremony venue and beg the landowner for help.
What's Calvin got me going to my wedding in?
There's a car coming.
Okay.
Yes, but it's going to be a bit delayed.
Okay.
A bit delayed?
Bye.
She could be standing around for hours. And that's not the only place she'll be standing.
Calvin, have you arranged the seat?
That'll be a no then.
What about that bit of wood? Will that bench fit in there? That won't fit. Scaffold bar or something would do the job. That'll do.
A plank fit for a princess. Meanwhile, 120 miles away.
Beginning to get worried now. Just don't like waiting around.
As the guests start to arrive at the venue, Leanne's car has only just made it to Aberdeen.
Only 2 hours late.
And only a 3-hour journey ahead.
Being pregnant in a wedding dress is a bit of a pain in the ass, and I just feel sweaty. This road takes us to far and beyond. Then it's a hell of a journey to be sitting in a car.
Still, at least Leanne's finally en route. And back at the lock, it's getting hairier than Calvin's sporran.
I've got a serious problem. I need to get out to the pontoon somehow.
Why don't we take his boat?
Well, there's a couple of blow-up boat things down there.
He's got to move fast, as Leanne is getting close.
Where are we?
Loch Ness.
How would he have thought out this way?
Knowing that we've got to sit in a car miles and miles and miles.
It's a really random place to think of.
Oh, I see Nessie.
No, you don't, do.
I bloody do. There's a Nessie down here.
Oh my god, there is a Nessie. Am I actually getting on a Nessie?
It's not going to be on Nessie.
It is.
You're joking.
What if it capsizes? I don't like the sea.
Well, right now, neither does Calvin.
I'm going to go and speak to that speedboat driver because I need to lift out to that pontoon.
It's going away.
He knew what I was going to ask him.
Oh, just don't want to get my dress wet.
Good luck with that.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, don't get me wet.
But while Leanne and Jill embark on the last leg of their journey, Calvin is still stranded on the shore.
I need to get to that pontoon now to get married. Can you get me out there?
Oh my god, there's water coming in the boat. My dress is gonna get wet.
Can you get me out on that pontoon?
We're nearly there, are we?
Oh my god, I'm fucking soaking.
Get in there!
Speed it up, boys, speed it up.
I don't like this. Oh my god, I'm fucking soaking.
Let's get married!
Oh my god, I'm gonna sit. Oh! Do it again and I'll punch someone in the fucking face.
Ah, made it! Hey!
Just get us there.
After an epic 3-hour journey by car and 1 hour by weird monster boat thing, our bride is finally about to see what Calvin's been planning.
He's got a paper.
I don't want to cry.
I can see her, she looks beautiful.
It feels like small and romantic and not like a massive aisle.
Yeah.
It just feels like a bit like intimate. 5 hours, mate. We've been driving.
Get me to the place. I've just seen a sign for a festival.
Yeah, but mate, I'm sweating too much to go to a festival right now.
Yeah, it says tents and camping.
Yeah, but it says pack an overnight bag. Like, where are we staying?
Yeah. Look, these tents. He's going backstage.
Tents?
And buzzing. And buzzing.
Rosie and the girls arrive at the Wickham Festival.
Have we got tickets?
Yeah.
They think they're just here for Rosie's second hen. None of them have a clue that they've just arrived at her wedding venue.
Is this our tent? Hen part 2?
Is this it? I don't mean it like, is this it? I'm so happy anyway.
Hi, Rosie, as you'll be going straight onto your wedding venue. From here, there isn't time to get you back to the dress shop, so here you go. Hope you like it, love, Jake.
I feel a bit sick now. I feel a bit nervous.
It's very, very similar to like the one that I wanted. It's just all like a little bit real right now.
I feel like it's even your wedding.
No. Why would I? I'm in a fucking tent. Still been bit, yeah? The fucking bed's like an actual fucking pancake.
Jake's got a lot to answer to.
We all hope that we're leaving like right now because we've been here for 2 days. Everyone's had a rubbish sleep last night. Like, no one wants to get another shower here, like, because it's just terrible. I think everyone just wants like a little bit of luxury now.
Have you got makeup with you?
Yeah?
I can put a little bit on for you if you like first.
I haven't got it with me like right now, but it's in my tent. I've not even had a shower this morning.
I know. Is he serious?
It's my wedding day today, that's all. I've not worn makeup for like 2 days because we've been here.
Right.
I've got to use my own makeup. I might as well just do it my fucking self then, haven't I?
wanted to be excited and like enjoy the morning. I'm still sat in a tent.
We got up at 7 o'clock, it's now 5 o'clock and we still don't know
She's
what the
still
hell
not
is going
married,
on.
mate. We don't even know where we're going. Don't even know if it's here or not here.
Still got no shoes.
Still not got no shoes, actually, no. With only 10 minutes until their short wedding window on stage, best man Kyle has arrived to make sure Rosie gets her welly on.
I've been waiting for ages for these.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry.
I knew he was.
You like them? You like them?
I'm gonna kill you, mate. Gonna kill you.
Yeah, where's Rosie? Where's Rosie?